Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome. In today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to attach this beaded handle. So the tutorial for this bag is up on my channel. I'm going to link it down in the description. When I did the bag, I attached it with chains, but now I'm going to attach the handle to the bag. So this is a 6-sided bag, so there is no midpoint. So I'm just inserting my fishing line into that bead right there. Then I am going to pick up one bead and I'm going to match it to the other end of my handle like so. This is what we are going to have. Then I am going to pick up one bead and I am going to cross it like so. So we have the first part done. Now with the fishing line facing upward, you're going to enter into the next bead and you're going to enter into the next bead down as well. So make sure you're matching the beads of the 4-point, that 4 circle. I call it beads of 4. So make sure you're matching it. And I've just gone into the next circle again, and I've gone into the other bead, the other bead again, and I'm just picking one bead and crossing, one bead and crossing. And that is actually basically how you attach a handle to a beaded bag. So I'm going to go through the 4th bead, because remember we are working in each of the 4 beads, the one on the bag and the one on the handle. So I'm just going to move my fishing line until both fishing lines are on the same place. Then I am going to tie it. It is this simple to attach a handle to a beaded bag. I'm going to show you guys again even more slowly. So when both fishing lines are on one place, you're just going to tie it as firmly as you can. So go ahead and tie it. 2 times is fine. Then you're just going to tuck in your fishing line. So in a zigzag manner, just tuck it in. Please don't forget to check the tutorial for this beautiful cage beaded bag. The link is going to be in the description box and in the comment section. So we're going to attach the other side. I'm going to show you guys. So I just cut another fishing line, not too long, just a short fishing line, and I am starting from the edge at this time. So I've inserted my fishing line at the edge. Then I'm going to pick up one bead. I've picked up my one bead and I'm going to line up the handle with the edge too as well. Then I'm going to insert my fishing line into that edge, and I'm going to pick up one bead and I'm going to cross like so. I really hope you guys can see. So I just crossed it. Then I'm inserting my fishing line into the second of the 4 beads on the back and on the handle, and I'm going to pick up one bead again and cross it like so. Then you're going to go into the next bead, which is the 3rd bead on the back and the 3rd bead on the handle. Then you are going to repeat the same thing by crossing it. Yeah, so you're just going to cross. So for this entire tutorial you use approximately, I think it's 4 beads for the entire thing. So you're just going to link all your fishing lines and make sure that all of them are lined up, all of them appear on the same place, and when they are all on the same place, you're simply going to tie it down. So this is very simple, and your handle is attached. It's that simple, very easy. So all you're going to do now is to tuck in your fishing line. I have a tutorial on how to tuck in fishing line in a firm manner and in a way that is going to make your work to be neat. I'm going to link that tutorial in the description box. So when you tuck in your fishing line, you're going to cut it off and you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So this is what our completed beaded bags look like. Please turn on the notification bell so you can know when I post, and check out the tutorial for this bag, guys. leave me a like, leave me a comment down in the comment section. I also have a tutorial on how to hand sew this pouch for your beaded bags in case you don't know how to, you don't have a sewing machine, or you don't want to go to a tailor. I have a tutorial on how to hand sew it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.